watched my previous Six Flags videos, you know that I just became a season pass holder to Six Flags this year. Um, but being a universal pass holder, I can't help but to compare the two, and I noticed that Six Flags is lacking with their food department. I have not been that impressed with the food, to be honest, and if you watch my first Six Flags video, you know that I mentioned the fish and chips actually got me really sick after I ate it because I think it's how oily the fish was. So yeah, needless to say, I wasn't looking forward to coming to the park and eat, but there was this place called the Best of the West that had not been open. It looked to me like it would be a really good restaurant. It's right next to the loading dock of the Wild Safari. So for the first month I have visited the park, it had not been open. I could not wait to try it, to be honest, and I followed their social media, their Instagram, and realized that they just opened. So today I came in to the park to have a mission to really try out their food. Online, it looked to me like they have barbecue food, and I'm a fan. So let's see.
No, tiene uno nuevo, la desgraciada. Tiene entrenado.
Here it is, Best of the West. It looks like they have chicken, salads, cold beer, soft drinks, desserts. Definitely cold beer. But online, I think I saw that they have barbecue beef or pulled pork. I am hoping to get one of those. Let's go inside. Looks like they have a bar area. I'm not sure if I have to order here first, then go over to the bar, or if I can order at the bar. So I'll find out. And here's the menu. I swear I thought they have some kind of mac and cheese. Did you see my videos at SeaWorld, Orlando? You know that I like mac and cheese. Yeah, they don't have it here. Maybe they change their menu daily. I'm not sure.
Little,
I have
little like
decided to
confusing.
go with the smoked pulled pork sandwich combo. And apparently I should order my food at the cash register here and then go over to the bar and order the beer. And this is what I got. It the combo itself comes with coleslaw, tater tots, and cornbread. And I appreciate that there's no sauce on it because all the sauces are at the condiment table. I'm not a sauce person. I know you're about to tell me it's so dry without, but if I don't need the calories, I don't think I should eat it. And for the beer, I got the Stacy's Mom. I think it's an IPA, perhaps hazy IPA, which is what I like. And yes, I ordered the food, got my food, came over to the bar area, and then I ordered my beer from the bartender. That would come out when there's a customer because I'm sure they see it in the camera. Here's the beer and drinks menu and all the choices for all of you who like canned beer at the bar. Alright, so my verdict is I like the sandwich, I like the food. It had saved Six Flags for me as far as food. I actually worried what I could eat whenever I would come to the park. So I'm so glad that finally I found a restaurant that I like at Six Flags Great Adventure. So for sure, whenever I'm in the park, this is where I'm gonna go eat at. Best of the West. And there comes the mine train that I got on actually after I filmed this footage. So yeah, I figured I would update you on the food situation at Six Flags Great Adventure with this quick video. As always, I know there were plenty of things you could have done about 9 minutes ago, so I really appreciate you choosing to click on my video. Now it's time for me to go home, and if you like my vibe, I hope that you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.